What is going on, guys? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we are installing a little folding license plate bracket for reasons unknown. But we're going to throw this thing right on. This is going to be super unprofessional, super quick, but just get this thing going. So guys, when I had my R3, I put a TFT kit on it, and you could actually bend the license plate, so that's sort of like what we're going for here. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be mounted under the taillight, but I'm just going to rig it up and mount it like this. Like everything else I do, just make it super jank, but let's get right into it. Alright, so here's the mount, guys. Pretty much, this is supposed to go under the taillight, but I'm just going to mount it right to the thing that's already on there. So I'm going to mount this up top and just put the plate on here, like, flat down. So let's do it. Oops. Guys, one thing I would say about this is I wish it came with tools, because this is a tiny little screw here, and the only way I know I can tighten it is just by like sort of turning this with a big ass set of vice grips. Close up, guys. So basically I mounted this directly onto the license plate holder, and then we've got this little piece here that allows it to actually rotate. Now there's this tiny little bolt on the end that I screwed on that's really hard to tighten. So I don't know, we'll see how this thing does long term, because now it's just kind of flopping there. Alright, quick update, guys. I found an Allen key head that actually worked, and I got this thing pretty well tightened up, so we're going to mount the license plate again and do a little more of a pretty routing of these zip ties, if that's even possible. Okay, now we finally have the finished product all secured on. Can bend all the way up, go like this, go like this, go all the way back up like that. Pretty sick. Hopefully this holds up. I might come back and put Loctite on this eventually, we'll see. But I do have zip ties on the bottom. Looks a little jank, but just to make sure that if it does fall off, that I'll still have the plate and not lose it for a second time.